If we take a look at the strongest index in the market, arguably in the world right now, is the Nasdaq 100. And this trend line is of vital importance going forward. As you can see, it bottomed on it again. When this breaks, this thing is over. Okay, so anyone can draw that. And I suggest you do if you track the Nasdaq 100. I think this was the end of the correction. We have our big breakout move right here, right into our time factor. And people have asked me, what are my targets for the Nasdaq 100? And these are them. And just for anyone curious, this is how I get these targets. Right here. There is a Fibonacci confluence zone, which is basically I'm starting from the big breakdown right here on the weekly chart, which is where you get the really big level. So this is my starting point, and I'm subdividing this level where this big breakout happens. So from here to here, and I'm doing the 38, 50, and 61, subdividing from here down to this level, which was the start of this big third wave move. And I'm subdividing down to this level right here, which is this giant railroad track bar right here. Those are your markers. And when you put those together, you have this incredible Fibonacci confluence zone right in the middle of the vertical move. So the first pullback of the vertical move, there's usually a confluence zone that all future swings are basing off of prior swings. I know this sounds very strange to a lot of people, but this is one of the weird quirks about markets. If you look at from this low to the confluence zone, then duplicate that bar, it takes you right to this shelf right here. From this low to the confluence zone, and you duplicate that box right to the top right there. So all I'm doing is just getting the next low, and I'm extending it in time. And one of these tops will happen. The top will happen at one of these levels. So if you want to write those down, those are my targets for TQQ.